by Jazz. My name is Jasmine, and if you are new here, please be sure to hit that subscribe button down below to, 1, become a member of the Jazz fam, and 2, to see more videos of hairstyles and more videos to come in the future. Today's video is going to be super fun. All you're going to need is one hair tie, and I'm going to be teaching you how to do a waterfall French braid. And if you want to see how I achieve the look, then keep watching. Okay guys, to start this braid, what you're going to want to do is you are going to want to take a section of hair, like so, split this section into 3 parts, like that, and you're going to start a normal French braid, and right here, when you flip this over, add a section of hair into the top and drop this bottom piece. So when you drop it, it's going to start to create the waterfall effect. Now that you dropped that piece, you are going to collect a section of hair. You're going to go over and over. And now you are going to collect another little section of hair at the top and add it to the top. You are going to want to drop that piece again and collect a section of hair. Go over, go over, add a piece to that piece that is closest to the hair, drop this piece, you're going to pretty much just continue doing that, but I'm going to walk you through it. Right about here, you're going to do yellow words. You are going to do your last little one, collect your section of hair, collect enough that you can braid it, and braid it as if it was a normal braid. Now that it's starting to poof out, all you need to do is just pull the little hairs that you let go and braid this all the way down. So just braid it like a normal braid. Grab your hair tie, wherever that may be, on my wrist. Tie it off, and before you finish, pull your hair, pull the hairs that you pulled out, pull them down, just run your fingers through. And if you want a more put together look, bobby pin this down, and there you have it.